Now we'll start a new topic of application of derivative. Application of derivative. Topic name is application of derivative. First topic are discussed in previous lecture. Now second topic will teach you error and approximation. Error and errors and approximation. Approximation. Name of chapter: application of derivative. Topics in your topics: error and approximations. Here two types of questions are put up: error and approximations. Mostly the questions are put up of approximations of functions, approximations of किसी functions का approximate value. If y is equal to fx, if y is equal to fx be a given function, then we know that by differential calculus first principle f dash x is equal to limit del x tends to 0 f x plus del x minus fx divided by dx, which is discussed in the topic of differentiation, also which is known as first principle. And if del x which are very small, then we can write it in the form f x plus del x minus fx is equal to f dash x into del x. If del x is very small, x plus del x likely 0, x plus del x minus fx equal to 0. R implies that fx plus del x is equal to fx plus f dash x into del x, which is known as approximations of functions, which is also remembered for the approximation value. Also it is called approximations, but we can these are written in the form f x plus del x is equal to f x plus f dash x into del x, which are also remembered for approximation. Here del x is known as absolute error. Del x is known as absolute error, and del x by x is known as del x absolute error. Del x by x is known as relative error. Here. And third is del x by x into 100 is known as परसेंटेज एरर। Del x is known as absolute error, del x by x which is relative error, and del x by x into 100 is known as percentage error. Mostly 3 points are remembered. Function of x plus del x is equal to function of x plus f dash x into del x. Del x by x is known as relative error, and del x by x into 100 is known as percentage error. Here the question are put up mostly 3 types. Number first, any functions are given the value of approximate, find the value of approximate by differential calculus. डिफरेंशियल कैलकुलस के द्वारा किसी फंक्शन का अप्रॉक्सीमेट वैल्यू फाइंड करना। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन पुट अप किया जाता है, फाइंड द रिलेटिव एरर और परसेंटेज एरर। थर्ड क्वेश्चन, वन टाइप्स क्वेश्चन आल्सो अगेन पुट अप, if any function or any value are given, then the changes of that variables. If y is equal to f(x) is a given function, then the changes of the functions y is known as del y. Changes of y with respect to x is known as del y, and also del y is known as dy upon dx into del x, which is also known. In this topic, that step was also remembered, this and this. Here will be changes of variable y with respect to x, and these are approximations. Now we discuss some problem of approximations and percentage error and changes of a function y. Most of important formula remember. Question first. Question first. Find the approximate value of approximate value of square root of 26. Square root of 26. Approximate value of square root of 26. Here find the approximate value of 26. Solutions. Approximate value of 26 given. Let f(x) equal to root of x. Let f(x) equal to root of x, because value of square, if value of cube roots, तो that, if value of fourth roots, तो taking that side. यदि आपको स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करना है तो फंक्शन स्क्वायर। क्यूब रूट्स फाइंड करना है तो फंक्शन क्यूब रूट्स में हो जाएगा। फोर्थ रूट्स प्राप्त करना है तो फंक्शन फोर्थ रूट्स हो जाएगा। एंड f is equal to root of x, then f dash x is equal to 1 by 2 root of x, differentiating it with respect to x by the formula which in previous chapter we discussed. We know that f x plus del x is equal to fx plus f dash x into del x, which are formula of approximations. Taking x is equal to 20. No. Now we can write it. Now we can write 26 is equal to 25 plus 1. Here यहाँ पे जो वैल्यू गिवन हो सबसे नियरेस्ट जो कंप्लीट स्क्वायर हो, स्क्वायर रूट दिया गया है तो कंप्लीट स्क्वायर रूट, क्यूब रूट्स दिया गया है तो कंप्लीट क्यूब रूट्स, we can written as in the form taking x is equal to 25 and del x is equal to 1. प्लीज यहाँ पे चूज करते समय आप ध्यान देंगे कि वही वैल्यू उस रूप में राइट डाउन करना है आपको जो वेरी नियरेस्ट ऑफ स्क्वायर रूट, कंप्लीट स्क्वायर रूट। देन f 25 plus 1 is equal to f 25 plus f dash x. F dash 25 into del x, putting the value of del x is equal to 1. We find the value of f 25. F 25 means f 26 is equal to f 25. F25, putting the value of F25 here, F25 is equal to root of 25 divided 5 plus F dash 25 here, F dash 25 is equal to 1 upon 2 of root of 25 equal to 1 upon 2 into 5 equal to 1 upon 10. Putting the value 1 upon 10, solving the F26 is equal to F26 is equal to 51 by 10, or implies that F26 is equal to 5.1. That is known as approximate value of root 26. Approximate value of root 26 of squares. Next problem. Question number 2. Find the approximate value of cube roots of find the approximate value of the cube roots of 1 to 7. Find the approximate value of cube roots of 1 to 7. 1 to 7. Solution. Let fx equal to, here cube roots, in previous problem square root, here in this problem big cube roots, then the function of fx equal to cube of x, r implied fx equal to x power 1 by, and differentiate f dash x equal to 1/3 into x power 1 by 3 minus 1 equal f dash x equal to 1 by 3 into solving the value x power minus 1 by 3 minus 1, sorry, x power 1 by 3 minus 1, solving 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3, all in the x power 2 by 3. We know that fx plus del x equal to fx plus f dash x into del x, which is a formula of approximations. We can write 127 equal to, here क्यूब रूट्स है, देन यहाँ पे आपके पास क्यूब रूट्स की अप्रॉक्सीमेशन वैल्यू फाइंड करना है, तो इसलिए 127 को हम लोग 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड करेंगे। एक पार्ट्स जो नियरेस्ट होगा 127 के कंप्लीटली क्यूब, तो 127 का कंप्लीटली सबसे नियरेस्ट कंप्लीट क्यूबिक वैल्यू 125 plus 2, which is known as, that point are also thinking, यहाँ पे आपको ऑलरेडी थिंक करना है, स्क्वायर रूट्स है तो कंप्लीट स्क्वायर उस वैल्यू के कितने जो सबसे नियरेस्ट होगा उसको राइट डाउन करेंगे, और क्यूब रूट्स है जो सबसे नियरेस्ट क्यूब रूट्स होगा तो उसको राइट डाउन करेंगे। टेकिंग x equal to 125 and del x equal to 2, then putting these value in above, f 125 plus 2 equal to f 125 plus f dash 125 into putting value of 2 del x. Solving these values in fx, f 125 equal to 125 or 1/3 equal to 5. Here f dash 125 equal to 1/3 into, sorry, here f dash 125 equal to 1/3 into 1/5 power 2 by 3 equal to 1/3 into cube roots of 5 square 25 equal to 1/75. Putting these values in up, we get F127 equal to F25. Value of F25 is known as 5 plus value of F-125 1/75 upon 75 into 2 F27 equal to 5 plus 2/75, which are solving. F127 is equal to multiplied 75 25 to F125 is equal to 377 divided by 75, or by F125 is equal to क्या था? कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. Solving the divided by 12.